Welcome to the video. We're going to focus on Niri, and Niri is a tiling window manager on Wayland. And in our package of Kiro, we can install 3 versions of it. First of all, Kiro Ohmyniri is basically our take on Niri. It's very simple waybar, just like Hyperland, a simple waybar, and we'll have months to come, right, to develop it further. The Kiro Niri Noctalia from somebody else, we incorporated the code there, and DMS again from somebody else. So let's have a look at our own creation is basically a waybar with some information, a Control-T, enter, right? You just go and open up with key bindings, have no clue what the key binding is, Control Super S. There they are. Super F, full screen. Search it, Vivaldi, right? Control V when it's installed. It is. Super Q, quit it. Don't show it. Bye. Super Q. So this is our take, and we have months to come to develop this a little bit further. In the sense, maybe there are apps to come, right? To design it. We'll see. And then that's Ohmyniri, right? Our take on things. Noctalia is another way of designing, of creating an environment that's just awesome out of the box, right? But this is not our development. It's our incorporation of code of a third party, right? Basically nothing more, nothing less, but it works, of course. Our menu goes down here, right? All kinds of things, a lot of things. We can actually go change color schemes that we're going to change to Dracula and all that. The border we can change, the dog that can, so many things we can change, right? This is all about Noctalia shell. Okay, so experiment with that. The button up here is gonna go for a logout like this. Logout in 9 seconds unless you click again. And the last one, DMS, so Dank material shell, that's the name. If we log in to this, we get something else, another kind of shell around Hyperland, right? Apps here, files, plugins, all of them. For the rest, we can click here, we can click here, some information here, clipboard, information about CPU stuff. So lots of things to just go, click and go set. Another way of, here's the Dank bar, right? So the Dank material shell, about probably, voila, ArcoLinux. So those 3 can be just installed. Best is real metal, right? But you go ahead. The only thing you need to remember is, nope, not that one, this one, right? Freeze the video. Those 3 packages need to be installed. Then you can experiment with those 3. But don't forget, they can coexist now, right? That's the work we've done. They can coexist next to each other. Unless, like any tiling window manager, it needs to live here in the .config. It needs to have a folder in here. And how do we do that? Either you go manually, you go to etc, you go to skell, and you grab whatever you want from here. Or you say, let's just keep it easy, skell double L, yes please, and then log out and then log in. Super, X, log out, and log in, right? And if the code is there, then this application runs that code, and voila, you've got this. Enjoy Niri. If on anything virtual, try out on QEMU, not on VirtualBox. It's a loss of time. But the best advice is go to a real metal machine, right, and install Wayland there. All right, have fun with Niri.